Stoic. It's been about 6 days since I dropped a video on this channel, so I said, let me give y'all some sauce. Alright, everybody keep hitting me up about CPNs. So in this video, I'm going to explain to you how you use a CPN and what's a CPN for and why a lot of people use them and how you can use them legitly or unlegitly. And if you need a CPN or you need anything like that, pinned up in the comment section is my TikTok and my Instagram. Go ahead and follow me, like all my stuff. You understand? I show you love right back. But if you need any business inquiries, then as you see, pinned up in the comment section is my Instagram. Shoot me a DM. I'm a busy man. May take me a day or so. But if you're interested in SBA loans, extra tax returns, me repairing your credit, me getting money making methods for you, or me just sending you the sauce, then I got you. It's pinned up in the comment section. Follow me. But let me get into this CPN game, right? All right. For all of y'all that do not know the basics, a CPN is like you having a twin brother or sister that nobody knows about and nobody can connect it to you unless you fuck it up, and you can run shit up without using your own name and social security number. It give you a whole nother person identity. Some CPNs are made up illegally that works for a little while. Some CPNs are made up really of people information that people never notice. So it depends on how you do it. I know people that use CPNs to get apartments. I know people that use CPN as illegal immigrants. I know people that use CPNs to get cars. I know people that use it to get houses, homes, businesses. It's a very smart thing to do or dumb thing to do. It's something that you got to do a lot of research on or contact somebody like me that know what they're doing. So if you want any of my services, whether taxes, SBA loans, 100% guaranteed approval with everything I do. But I'm not here to sell y'all nothing. I'm here to give y'all game. So now that y'all know why people use CPNs, you know, now I can tell y'all exactly what CPNs are for. And you know, time is money, so I don't have time to waste. So as you see my phone say time is money. So I got to go ahead and get to my notes. So I had to go ahead and get to my notes. Go ahead and let y'all know what's up. Ain't no editing or nothing. So I keep these videos raw, straight up raw. All right, a CPN is a 9-digit number that's formulated just like a social security number. What I tell y'all, I just told y'all that. You understand what I'm saying? It also may be called a credit privacy number. C is for credit, P is for privacy, N is for numbers, CPN. A lot of y'all didn't even know what a CPN means. Credit privacy number. Privacy. Nobody knows. Huh? Like a lot of y'all want a Ferrari, but y'all never looked at how much it costs or where you go to get one. You have to start somewhere. You have to dream big. So anyway, it's just a credit profile number or a credit protection number. Get the key words: protection and privacy. Companies that sell CPNs to consumer marketers them as a way to hide bad credit or bankruptcy. It makes you be approved for things that you're not approved for. Now, you can be working with CPNs and get them from me. And you can also begin your credit repair from me. We all coming into money. Invest in yourself. Credit, money, CPNs is no different from Kool-Aid, sugar, and water. If you mixing it all together and you do it right, you got a perfect, successful picture of Kool-Aid. If you take CPNs, money, and credit, and I do it all for you, and you mix it in, you got a big pot of Kool-Aid. But if you try to do credit, that's leaving the sugar out. If you try to do just money, that's leaving out the Kool-Aid pack, the flavor. If you leave, what about the water? You need to see. You get what I'm saying? I'm trying to break this down to y'all in hood terms. So anyway, it's to hide bad credit or bankruptcy, also to hide your identity. If you a legal alien, you don't supposed to be over here. You get a CPN, your name can be John Smith. Get it? But here's the thing where people mess up with the CPNs. If you look like you're 50, don't get a CPN and come back to be a 24-year-old. Don't get a CPN that look like that you say you're 16 to 14 because you're not able to legally get an apartment and then that's defeating the purpose. Don't go get a CPN of a black tall man if you a short white man. You got to make it make sense, you guys. So I'm giving y'all the game on these CPNs. I'm giving y'all the games. How does someone get a CPN? Like I said, you can do it legally or illegally, but CPNs come from credit repair companies. So it's legit. Or you can come to me and get it. It depends on how you want to do it. Do you want to go get your car fixed at a dealership and pay $5,000? Or would you rather go to a good shade tree mechanic, get him a couple of beers, and get your car fixed for $20? I would rather get my CPNs for $20 instead of doing all this extra shit. But it's up to y'all. Like I said, y'all can holler at me, don't holler at me. It's your choice. It's your choice. How much does CPNs cost? I charge $200 for a CPN. But a CPN is completely free if you're trying to get caught. Let me explain. If you go through these credit companies and all that, they build this, they are watching this number. The whole point is privacy and protection. Ain't nothing private if the company got you in the system. Whole point, your CPN is not attached to you at all. It's just like an EIN or a DUNS number. They can sue your business, not you. This protect you. They can go sue John Smith, Sally Sue. They can't fuck with you. Let's keep on going. Can you buy a house with a CPN? Yes. You can purchase a home with a CPN. Yes, you guys. Yes. Can you get a job with a CPN? Yes, you can, but not legally. But how about you make 80 checks and you find somewhere to cash the check at? Well, some can be broke, it can be fixed. Well, some can be fixed, it can be broke. I'm trying to tell y'all, just come through me. Are CPNs illegal? Using a CPN conceal the credit history and illegal things could be illegal. All depends on how you're using it. Building credit take time as required. Responsible credit habits such as paying bills on time every month. I'm giving y'all the game. Is CPNs legal to the IRS? The IRS seems as it schemes and scams and schemes. So if you purchase a CPN, make sure it's a clean credit file. That's why you need to go through me. Do celebrities use CPNs? Yes, a lot of celebrities use CPNs. Do you not know Beyonce, Jay-Z, Lil Baby? They don't want you. Y'all know their real name is on Google. It's very easy to hack people. They use CPNs. Their cars are in their CPN names. Use it. Can CPNs be flagged? Yes, they can be flagged. I put all of this in the description. Y'all can check out the description. I put all this in the description, but these are the questions y'all ask me. How long does a CPN last? My bad. You have to recertify annually, so do not miss out. That's it. That's it. Can I take a loan as a CPN? Yes. Is CPNs illegal for apartments? If it's not in your name, yes, but why not build your money and stay there for 5 years free? It's people that been under CPNs for 15, 20 years. And y'all, I have literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I have 20 more questions and I'm not going to answer any ones. I'm going to read through them and see, is it worth answering? What can I apply for a CPN? I just told y'all that. How many CPNs can a person have? That's a good question. You can have a lifetime unlimited CPNs, but the more you got, the more you're going to get caught. If you got 10 bricks, it's a lot easier to get caught if you selling an ounce of dope. If you got 10 pounds, it's a lot easier to get caught than selling the 3.5. Just use your brain. How do I use a CPN for apartment? I just told y'all. How do you build a CPN credit? Invest in multiple trade lines. Y'all look at my channel. I have so many videos on trade lines. Type in money harder trade lines. My biggest video is of trade lines. Matter of fact, Primary trade lines. If y'all need trade lines, y'all can holler at me. It's pinned up in the comment section. Reach out to me on IG. It's gonna take a second. Send me a couple of them. Let's keep going. How do you tell somebody that you're using a CPN? You fucking don't. Where do people get CPNs? I just told y'all, through Global Drippin or through credit repair people. How does people build their CPN? See, y'all ask the same questions. Y'all don't be paying attention. People gonna ask me these same questions that I'm answering on here. Another person, how do people that celebrities use CPNs? How does a CPN look? Like a social security? This is a good question. Can CPNs be used for background checks? CPN numbers are illegal and are fraudulent if it's not done right. So I wouldn't do a background check on it unless it's a clean one. If you need clean ones, come to me or credit repair people. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 more questions. I'm gonna see if they're worth answering. How many CPNs are there? Fuck that. How does it cost to get a CPN? With me, $200. If you go somewhere else, it's gonna cost thousands. How do people make CPNs? Oh my God. How do trade lines affect CPNs? Oh my God. Can you buy a house with it? How many people? Listen, y'all. Yes, you can buy a house with a CPN. With your back, we already talked about the background. Can a CPN get flat? Where is the best place to get a CPN? With me. Hit me up on Instagram at the Real Tab Flames, and you can get a CPN. That's how you get it. Can my social security card be attached to my CPN? No. Where do you get a CPN from? Oh my God, same question. How do I add primary trade lines? I will put that video up the first thing in the description, and I'll put it in the comment section. That's how you get primary trade lines. Is CPN illegal for apartments? Everybody want an apartment with these CPNs. What all can you do with a CPN? Can you use a CPN for a bank account? I wouldn't use it, but you can. But they'll get you for fraud real fast. It's a good question. And what all can you do with a CPN? CPN can be used to apply for credit cards, personal loans, business loans, student loans, audio home loans, auto loan, home loans, all of that and above, and anything you could think of. So I hope this helped y'all, and I put all of this in the description, y'all. Some people like to hear, some people like to see. So you can see all of this in the description, y'all. And just put a like on this. You don't have to shop with me if you don't want to shop with me. But I'm telling y'all to shop with me. But if y'all don't want to shop with me, take this information, go shop with somebody else. But this is year 2024. It's time to get this money right. I'll holler at y'all. Love each and every one of y'all. I'm gone. Gang.